looking for a legit way to make money online, or are you looking for a legit platform where you can make money daily? This video got you covered. Without wasting much time, let's dive into it. For today's video, I will show you a platform where you can make at least 2,000 naira daily, or making at least approximately like $2 daily if you are not in Nigeria. But if you are in Nigeria, you can make up to $2, 2,000 daily. So without wasting much time, let's dive into it.
When you click on the link in the description, it will bring you to this interface. Then you just tap on this verify you are a human. Just wait for it a moment, let it load. So once that is done, all you need to do is put in your email address, username, password, then confirm your password. You can see after that, let me log into my own account because I won't be creating another account because this particular program doesn't support too many multiple accounts. So let me log into my own account now and show you the details. So now I am on my own particular account. This is my dashboard, and you can see the amount I have right now is 1 naira. It's because the reason why I have this particular naira was that I was unable to finish my tasks as of yesterday. So they gives you daily tasks and some tasks that you need to do just to earn on this particular platform. So all you need to do is just to tap on these three dots here. These three dots you can see here. This one here. Just tap on the three dots. Then you can see your dashboard and all of that. One of the particular tasks I will tell you to do all the time, or I will recommend for you to do is just I think about 2 or 3. There are many tasks here, but the one I always do most is this particular one. This one here, this one, this one, and this one. This particular three, I usually do most of them. Then another one that I usually do, I will recommend most, is the one of this particular click. I'm just trying to see it, look for it, but I didn't see it. Okay, since we don't see it, just tap on this offer wall, which is one of my tasks that I usually do. Tap on this offer wall. Let me show you this particular one. I don't want this video to be long. Let me cut it short. So tap on offer wall. So you can see the offer wall. You can see this one, offers, survey, tasks, and PPC. There are a lot of them here. You can see this one, a lot of them. If you are someone that is good in doing service and other tasks, you can be able to do it on this particular one. But the one I usually do most is this particular one, time wall. I can do survey, link, task, offer, click, and all of them. Then let's just tap on this go to offer wall here. You can see this go to offer wall here. Tap on it. You can see this particular place that you are seeing this particular thing. There are many ways you can earn on this particular one. On this particular aspect, you can earn in many ways. So let's just okay, this one you can earn by downloading this game. You can see that, and according to this one, their point is, I think, 100 points is 10 naira. So when you are able to download and this particular survey, you can earn just 5 minutes survey. You can earn 4,500. This one 10,900. You can see a lot of them here. You can see them here. You can see this one. So these are many ways you can earn. Then another one is that you can download games. If you are someone who always play, you can download this particular game. And when you play this game, you get like 13,370 points, which is about 3,000 naira. So another one will be recommending to you is this particular one. I say tap on these three dots again, this three line here, tap on it again, press on this, then you just look for clicks. I think that is the name, clicks. I'm trying to remember it, but I can't see it. Let me check it again. Sorry, this here you're supposed to tap on this particular one here. This particular one here, you can see here. Tap on it. You can see feature games. You can see all this one games. You can see this one games, service, task, clicks. So the one I'm talking about is this particular one, clicks. That's the one I'll be talking about. These clicks here. Just tap on these clicks. Wait for a moment, let it load. We wait for it to verify some moment. Just tap on verify you are a human, and you wait for some moment for it to say okay, this is done. So you can see no ad available because I've done the task. All you need to do on this particular place is click on the chat that you're supposed to click on, and then you wait for 5 seconds and come back. You will claim your reward. So I have 203 points here. And this their point, I think about 10 point 100 points is 10 naira. So like I'll be getting like 20 naira on this particular 200 points. And if you're someone who is serious on this particular thing, you can earn very well on it. Don't just look at it as it's very small. If you see people that are consistent in this particular platform, they are making a lot from it. If you think that this one is very small, you can go for games and service. You can earn very well on that particular one. You can see a game 13,300 and something, and you can see this particular game. See this game 1 million something coins. And if you get like this particular game and play it, you can be able to earn very well. So even if you are in Nigeria or not in Nigeria, you can earn on this particular app because you can withdraw using your USDT. Let's platform withdraw. Let me show you the thing. You can withdraw using airtime, bank transfer, and USDT. If you are not in Nigeria, this is one of the ways you can withdraw this USDT. You can withdraw using this way. So and this particular way you can earn on this particular platform. Just be serious on it. If you are consistent, you earn very well on it. So their minimum withdrawal for USDT is 0.0005 whatever. Then for their minimum withdrawal, you're withdrawing in Naira bank transfer, you need like Naira 1,000 Naira before you can withdraw. So this is one way you can withdraw. If you find any value from this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. If you're a new viewer, subscribe. If you're a returning viewer, thank you.